Hello all, this is Ankush from Bangalore. I was launched in the business by Lakshmi Narasimhan and Swati. My upline platinums are Kumar Sharda. I graduated from the boot camp of March month and my score was 85. Today I would like to share my views on case studies and book reading. So talking first about case studies, I think case studies are now my part of routine, um, which gives me motivation throughout the day. So basically, I hear case studies early in the morning, and this 40 minutes of or 1 hour of motivation keeps me pumped up in the morning, even though in my work at my workplace. According to me, case studies are an individual way of tackling a problem, and you are someone who is hearing them how they did it because they did it, and that gives a way to think in a broader way how they did addressing a single problem or single hurdle, how they did it, and it's a raw material for us to tackle that situation. For book reading, I really I can't imagine myself now without reading 10 pages of a book every day, which I love the most. So recently I finished a book called Parable of the Pipeline, which gave me a whole overview. I think that this is why I'm in front of you on the screen. And the other book which I finished recently was named as Catalyst, and this book refers to the balance between work and life. So, and something which I applied in my daily routine from Catalyst is the TMRR model, which is nothing but time, measure, review, and reflection. This book says that time spent is not equivalent to experience. Time spent in walking for us is not an experience, but time spent in walking is experience for a person who walks for an event or in for an Olympics event, taking part in walking championship, and he walks 50 km within the lesser time he gets, and he reviews his performance each time he walks. So this I started doing at my workplace. At 8 hours of job, am I really making the time spent into experience? So book reading and case studies is an altogether blessing for me, and I can see a change in myself in this situation. Thank you for this situation where I can work on myself. I can take a look back what I was and how I am progressing now. Thanks a lot, and hope these two good habits, make your life the fullest. Thank you for this opportunity. See you.